In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and apply subscriber tags in Beehiiv. If you're looking to organize your subscriber list more efficiently, then you're in the right place. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, ensuring that you can effectively categorize and manage your subscribers. First, let's head over to the Beehiiv dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with various options. What you want to do is scroll down and click on Audience. From there, a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select Subscribers. This will take you to a page where you can see all your subscribers and manage them accordingly. Once you're on the subscribers page, look towards the top of your screen. There you'll find several tabs. You'll want to click on the one labeled Tags. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll manage your new tags. Next, it's time to get creative and create a new tag. To do this, simply click on the New Tag button. This initiates the process of setting up a tag that you can later apply to your subscribers for better categorization. Now, you'll be presented with a form that needs a few critical details. Initially, you'll want to give your tag a descriptive name. The name should be meaningful and directly related to the group of subscribers you want to identify. For example, if your tag is meant for new customers, you could name it New Subscribers. In addition to naming the tag, you'll also need to select a color for it. The color is not just for aesthetics, it also helps visually differentiate various tags when you're managing a long list of subscribers. Choose a color that you associate with the specific group, which will make your tagging system intuitive at a glance. Additionally, there's an optional step where you can add subscriber emails directly into the form. This is particularly useful if you already know which subscribers should receive this new tag. You can either type these in manually or paste them from an existing source. Finally, once you've filled in all necessary details, it's time to save your new tag. Look towards the bottom right corner of the screen and click on Save. This will lock in all of your settings and immediately apply the tag to any subscribers you've added in that optional field. Congratulations, you've successfully created a new subscriber tag in Beehiiv. Now you can use these tags to sort and manage your subscribers more effectively, tailoring your communications and content to specific segments of your audience. This strategic approach not only enhances your organization, but also allows you to engage your subscribers in a more personalized manner. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.